Welcome back. There has been a big development that has taken place with the SEC, or the Subject Expert Committee, has recommended Bharat Biotech to conduct a phase 3 trial for its nasal vaccine, where the SEC has also recommended to conduct booster trials, but has asked to add Covishield arm. And Bharat Biotech is likely to submit its revised application as per the recommendations by the panel by tomorrow. What is being said that Bharat Biotech has now gotten a nod to run trials for the nasal COVID vaccine as a booster shot. Now, this is coming as the SEC of India's Drug Authority has met to examine Bharat Biotech's application for its intranasal COVID vaccine as a booster or a third dose. And what is being learned that the firm has proposed to use this vaccine as a booster dose in already people who have been inoculated either with Covaxin or with Covishield. And this is what is coming right after the meeting, where a big decision that has been made by the SEC, and it has recommended Bharat Biotech to conduct phase 3 trials for its nasal vaccine, and has also recommended to conduct booster trials, but has also asked to add Covishield arm. And what is being said that Bharat Biotech is likely to submit a revised application as per the recommendations by the panel by tomorrow. So what is being said, where the meeting of the SEC, of the Drug Controller General of India, the DCGI, that had a scheduled meeting yesterday, this has been decided as far as Bharat Biotech is concerned. In its application, the company had proposed to use its intranasal vaccine BBV154 as a heterologous booster dose in its already vaccinated individuals who have received 2 doses of either Bharat Biotech's own Covaxin or Serum Institute's Covishield. Now, this is coming again as a big boost to the vaccination program that is being carried out across the country. And soon, from the 10th of January, we will be looking at how booster doses will now be provided to the healthcare frontline workers and also to senior citizens above the age of 60 with serious illnesses. Madhurima, this is a big decision that has been taken by the SEC.
Well, yes, absolutely. The SEC today has, yesterday, in a very long meeting that was conducted throughout the day, has recommended Bharat Biotech to conduct phase 3 trials for its nasal vaccine. The SEC has also recommended to conduct booster trials, but has asked to add Covishield arm as well. Bharat Biotech is likely to submit the revised application as per the recommendation by to the panel by today. So if all goes well, then we'll have the nasal vaccine for phase 3 trials. And as the experts say, the nasal vaccine will have more effect because it directly affects the mucus, and hence has the better ability to combat the COVID-19, because the major symptoms that were of cough, cold and fever. And even if, remember, at the time of the black fungus that was also a mucal disorder. So this would be a very big boost and a fillip to the entire vaccination program of our country. So phase 3 trials have been recommended by the SEC for Bharat Biotech's nasal vaccine. Rest we'll have to wait and watch till the end of the day as to how this revised application by the Bharat Biotech is accepted by the expert committee.
Right, because Madhurima, where Bharat Biotech is also aiming to conduct these clinical trials on at least 5,000 healthy subjects. Half of them are the individuals who have received Covishield and the other half who have been administered with Covaxin. Dr. Jayalal is with us on the phone line. Madhurima, I request you to stay on with us. Doctor, good morning. How are you viewing this big decision by the SEC? Because we were looking forward as far as this intranasal vaccine booster dose is concerned by Bharat Biotech.
Yeah, definitely we are welcoming the steps taken by the intranasal vaccination. The only thing which we are worried about, the entire data of what is the result which is coming out of the test which they have conducted, and what is the outcome of the study which they conducted should be also put on the public domain, so that people will have all the authentic data to get accepted. Our only concern is that is now the proposal was to consider it for the booster dose. However, if there is a nasal dose is available for the pediatric age, that will be much easier to apply for the use in the pediatric age group. Adults will be always happy to have that injection, and it will be difficult to have the injections for the pediatric. So our concern is let this be open and let this be accepted. And if the parameters are good, And we should start it with the pediatric, then we should come for use it for the booster dose. Just putting it for the booster dose as the first step may be counterproductive because the data and the acceptance may be less for that. But however, we are wholeheartedly welcoming the initiative of the government, and we are hoping the government will take appropriate decision at this moment.
Right. Dr. Jayalal, thank you, sir, for joining us here on the broadcast. So this is coming across as a decision that has been made by the SEC recommending Bharat Biotech as far as its intranasal booster vaccine dose is concerned to conduct phase 3 trials for its nasal vaccine, where the SEC has also recommended to conduct the booster trials and has asked to add Covishield also, where Bharat Biotech is likely to submit revised application as per recommendations by the panel tomorrow itself.